5 years ago, India's eastern state of West Bengal was witnessing a revolution of sorts. People, disenchanted with the over 3-decade rule of the left parties, saw Mamata Banerjee as their savior. The activists of the anti-corruption movement saw her as a beacon of hope for a nation plagued by corruption and nepotism. Mamata's pitch for probity in public life found resonance with the common man's aspiration for a corruption-free government. Her unrelenting campaign paid off, and she and her Trinamool Congress, or TMC, rode to power with a historic mandate. But the euphoria of the new government soon began to fade. The Mamata government was beleaguered by the Sharda chit fund scam, in which prominent leaders of a TMC were involved. This compelled us to visit the corridors of power in Bengal. Our investigations, stretching over 2 years, laid bare the fact that far from being transparent, both Mamata's government as well as her party, the TMC, is run by perhaps the most corrupt elements in the country. What we recorded on camera is unbelievable. Here, almost all leaders of TMC were found willing to flout any rules of the state for a bundle of cash. We started our investigation before the 2014 Lok Sabha elections. Despite the alleged involvement in the Sharda chit fund scam, TMC was projected to be a clear winner in most of the Lok Sabha. This was despite allegations that the Mamata government was protecting some of the accused in the Sharda scam. The way in which Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee came out in defense of a senior police officer, Syed M.H. Mirza, was very telling. She took on the Independent Election Commission against Mirza's transfer from Burdwan district. Our investigations took off from there. We formed a fictitious company, Impex Consultancy, and approached several ministers and Trinamool leaders to seek favors for the company. This was an attempt to unravel what is happening behind the closed walls. We also met Mirza. The senior police official was very forthcoming and business-friendly. He acknowledged that he is a key person who collects funds for the Trinamool Congress. He even claimed that he is the most trusted lieutenant of former railway minister Mukul Roy when he was the chief lieutenant of Mamata Banerjee.
Mukul is very frank with me.
Yeah,
For the his,
deals and everything.
I had already arranged 60 for him.
Okay.
Besides this,
Okay, I got
Already
it.
around 60.
When we met in the morning also, he just wake up.
Just he woke up. He woke up with my call only.
Okay.
So I was trying to contact since morning 8. Twice missed call. Then I sent an SMS. Another chap had gone. Just before you, another chap.
We seen that two people with one briefcase.
Briefcase.
Yeah.
He refused to take that.
Their money.
He told he go to Mirza, keep it there. I'll take it from Mirza.
একটু আগে কথা হয়েছে কিন্তু এখনই চলে যাও তুমি টক টু মির্জা এখনই চলে যাও মির্জার সাথে কথা বলি আমার সাথে মির্জার কথা হয়েছে ঠিক আছে আমাদের ফ্রেন্ডশিপ হবে সব হবে ইউ শুড গো ব্যাক টু Bardhaman. You talk to my SP Mirza. He will keep a relation between you and me. Everything can be communicated through Mirza.
It is not advisable to keep such a hard cash with me. Such a huge hard cash with me.
So he is scared of some enforcement raid.
Yes. So that's why he was saying that now that his election is there, not only enforcement raid, rather this observer, expenditure observer.
It matters.
Expenditure observer, if they get a clue and if they hold it and they get something, then it will be, this party will be spoiled. The party will go for 6.
So you can go and talk to Mirza right now. যাও চলে যাও মির্জাকে আমার বলা আছে উনি তো এখানেই আছে এখানে কোথাও আছে একটু ফোন করে দেখে বাড়িতে আছে
Can I give the money?
No, you can go and give it to Mirza.
Mirza's claims led us to the house of Mukul Roy. He was not willing to take money from us directly. He told us to go to his office.
Give it to my office. I am not taking it straight.
Okay.
So I will tell my man. So he will give it to you.
Your office. Where exactly?
That is 6A Elgin Road. You come at after 1 hour.
After?
1 hour.
After 1 hour. Your address also gave.
It is 6 Elgin Road. Just 2 buildings later.
Okay. Gentleman, I have 20 lakhs. I can give it to you. I have 20 lakhs. Okay. I will go to the office. You will be there? No.
I will be there.
Okay. After 1 hour.
This recording was done when he was the second in command of the party. His office was so full of people, we could not record there due to the frisking before entering his office. Mamata Banerjee many a times used to flaunt her association with Subrata Mukherjee, now Minister for Panchayat and Rural Development. Mamata considers Subrata as her mentor, but we saw the true nature of the mentor. He was very eager to help us in any way. Of course, after pocketing all the money offered to him.
This is for one. I will give it to him.
Okay.
This is for one. I will give it to him.
Okay.
हाँ संतोष साहब आए हैं समझे ना हाँ 3 दिए 2 बोलने बाद में बात कर लिया
सर हेलो मैं अभी 3 दिया ये इलेक्शन कमीशन के चक्कर पे कोई पैसा का ट्रांजैक्शन बहुत कम हो रहे मैं 2 दिन के बाद है ना 2 और देगा
Former Union Minister and Member of Parliament Sultan Ahmed is the Muslim face of the party. But above all, he is considered to be the Mr. Clean of Bengal politics. We witnessed what lies behind the carefully constructed image of honesty and integrity. when we met Sultan Ahmed to seek favors from the state government and his party. He had no qualms in offering any help after receiving the money we offered.
So is arranging money is too difficult here because last 2 days is holiday, na? Because it's 5. This is 5. This is the reason because 500 and 1000 because arranging is too. Because you know the Hawala arranging is too difficult. Huh? Yesterday and today money is getting too difficult. That is the reason I am also. Good morning. I said because your election is very near.
Very close.
Because that's the reason I arranged.
Every day there is expenditure of.
How many lakhs? You wanted more. You wanted more money. More money. I can give 5. I will give 5. So, but sir, you have to do our work also. That.
Whatever you want, my assistance I will give.
Okay, that's all.
My capacity.
Yeah, I know.
Want any letter, recommendation, phone, I will.
Yeah. And also lobbying.
Lobbying.
Lobbying is the most important.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I will help.
Because Bengal is a too
I will help.
Because also people those who are.
I will help.
We have about 52 hours of footage of this operation. What we understood after analyzing it again and again is that all levels of the leadership of the Trinamool Congress were more than willing to sidestep the norms, circumvent laws to extend illegal help to those who offer money. Shogato Roy was a physics professor and National Science Talent Search scholar before he entered politics. He was a former minister in the Manmohan Singh government and his party's face on national television. But Shogato Roy's scholarship did not deter him from accepting the bribe given for providing Impex Consultancy all help.
It's a lot of money.
This is for. This is 1,000. This is totally 5 lakhs. You can count.
Thanks. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
You are Impex.
Impex Consultancy.
And your name is
Santosh Shankari.
Sanghal.
Sukanto Adhikari is known as the young Turk of the TMC. The new generation leader was more than willing to oblige Impex Consultancy for a few bundle of currency notes.
It's a 5 lakh rupees. 5 lakh rupees.
The second most important woman leader in Trinamool Congress after Mamata is Kakoli Ghosh Dastidar, a doctor by profession. Kakoli Ghosh is a member of parliament. Her husband is the minister in the Mamata cabinet. Kakoli and former football player and MP Prasoon Banerjee were also willing to dole out favors for money.
This is for your,
Okay.
and any other further.
Nothing at the moment.
If you
I
want.
understand.
Yeah. This is 4 lakhs rupees. Huh?
Sovan Chatterjee is an important leader and very close to Mamata Banerjee's family. The mayor of Kolkata, after receiving money, promised to introduce us to all the power centers. He also offered us all help as the mayor of Kolkata.
मेरा कंपनी बीजेपी के 300 करोड़ টাকা
This
দিয়েছে
is 4 lakhs rupees.
Kal-
5, kal, tomorrow I will give 1 lakh.
আমি দিয়ে দেবো
Tomorrow I will give 1 lakh.
हमको दे हम दे देবো
Yeah. So tomorrow I have.
তো অভিষেক তুমি কথা বললো
ওই সমস্ত করছে না কারণ তুমি মমতা দি পুরোটাই ওর দেখে নিচ্ছে
ওই দেখতে না
क्या बात?
ममता दी
हाँ.
अभिषेक का पूरा पैसा देता
No, just then introduce me
इंट्रोड्यूस करिए
आफ्टर द इलेक्शन आई विल इंट्रोड्यूस
after the election.
यू नीड नॉट
Oh.
Madan Mitra, former minister in the Mamata cabinet, who was forced to resign after the Central Bureau of Investigation or CBI arrested him for his involvement in the Sharada chit fund scam. We met him before his involvement in the scam came out in the open. His lust for money was very evident when we approached him.
So total 5 lakhs.
You just go to that.
Come here, Mr. Santosh.
করুন দরজা করুন
Karan Sharma, Trinamool Congress Youth Wing or Yuva President, is a close aide and confidant of Abhishek Banerjee, the nephew of Mamata Banerjee. Karan Sharma and his partner Sujoy Krishna met us at Abhishek's plush office. They assured us all of our work would be done through Abhishek and Mamta.
That will be the official sitting.
Okay.
Today I am sitting with you unofficial.
Okay.
My office is empty. Nobody is there. You will sit officially.
You are looking for the right man. He is the right man. I'm telling you.
Okay.
Because there have been many people who have always come to Mr. Banerjee looking for help. No, whenever there is anything that knows the benefit of the state, he is always for that. And he's the, you can say he's the spokesperson. He's the right man. You are speaking to the right man. You can always speak to Mr. Bhadru and He would help you.
No, after sitting with you, I will organize the meeting with the ministers. From there, he will receive every positive response from there.
Iqbal Ahmed, member of the West Bengal Assembly, who raises funds for himself and the Trinamool, took 5 lakh or 500,000 Indian rupees from us when we met him at his residence.
Two, three, four, 5. आप देख लो इसमें ना पैसे देखो 1,500
छोड़ तो मुखर्जी का दे दिए बात किए एक वाक्य
इसको मैं जाके देना है?
अब्ताब हाँ अब्ताब को देना ये अब्ताब को
मैं जाके देना होगा ना
आप जल्दी चलिए हम बोल दे रहे
ठीक है कितने बजे
बात
देना है?
चलिए
Farhad Hakim, the Urban Development Minister, is another leader with a clean image. Also called Bobby Hakim, Farhad Hakim turned out to be a tough negotiator. He said he was not interested in peanuts and took nothing less than 5 lakhs. Well, we paid him what he demanded.
ये अब काम का आदमी है इधर बड़ा काम है ये छोटा काम है बड़ा यहाँ छोटा बड़ा पूछते नहीं हम लोग खुद याद नहीं छोटा हम लोग हाथ देगा तो बच्चे लोग खाएंगे इसलिए हमें टच ही नहीं करता है तो ये किसको दे संजय जी ने
ठीक दैट
मैं नहीं गया नहीं तो रिक्वायरमेंट को अगर देखा हम 5 दिन से ये सब पढ़े जो नहीं
किधर बैठना किधर बैठना किधर बैठ
আপনার নাম স্যার
संतोष
আলিপুরে থাকেন আপনি আলিপুরে
नहीं चेन्नई से देख लो देखो
As Bengal prepares for the next elections, it's time to take stock of the situation. Did Mamata Banerjee and her Trinamool Congress, which rose to power on the common man's urge for change, live up to their expectations? Or did TMC betray the historic mandate? X-Files is an attempt to lay bare what happens behind the corridors of power. It is also an attempt to show how a few words of currency can get things moving faster in India's eastern state of West Bengal. 5 years ago, people of West Bengal changed the course of history. It's again at a threshold. Will the people of Bengal script another change?